offline. It was a new account.
He discussed about rape or more.
Raping people and sex. Oh, knew this. A fake Vincent, an impersonator of me. I was asleep. I am asleep, but that person is awake. Is still awake. That's the problem we have. And the friend group thought it was me, but turns out it is not me. I'm asleep. The problem here is that I have to find out who, what, and why was that account created? Who created the account? What account or locked? And it's not impersonation. Technically,
It's a different account.
it's not hacked. It's a different created account.
Let us
Basically, who created the account?
I'll
What
check
is-
the
what-
Facebook. Is
what-
it still is the account still available or
It's
already
banned.
deleted?
It's banned now. It's deleted.
No, it's not bad. It returned from me. Jacob, you know it, right?
Yeah. He disguised himself as
Ninyo.
What was the purpose of the account? And who is behind all of this?
That's a bit.
The first one, who? We need to find out who created the account.
Let me show you.
And I have a speculation. It can be Ethan. It can be any one of us, but no.
Is the account still available?
I think
No.
No.
But it's available in a the same person's available in a different account.
Search their NG and then the one who has
No, I got it. Just wait. Look around. Wait. Where is it? What the fuck? It has code.
What the hell?
is that the real Nino?
No, that's not the real Ninyo.
Ninyo already lost his phone like a lot of
Yeah.
time ago.
Yeah, I've heard someone say that.
It's like, ano?
You only do it by
One
voice
week
recording,
ago.
not through
Yeah,
video.
1 week ago doing that.
No. Still, you need it. Okay, wait. Look at this. Don't. With your research, he was going to take his own life. But people stopped. About what, dude? You need to explain my friend group and the Morse code happened in the
Wait.
Google Drive, which
Wait,
I'll send it.
check it.
No, just open it for me. I do not send it to me. Do not send it. You open it from your device.
Why not? Dr. Vincent is created by information to seek information and to leak information from you guys
Wait.
in the Legend of Lopers.
Wait a minute, I have an idea. So, if Ethan was gathering information, what is he trying to do and plan? If he's trying to gather information.
And what is his reason why he tried to lick us?
So, I have an idea. This is a speculation only.
Ethan impersonator Vincent and impersonator and Nino was connected because
And
Nino-
he lied about him being in UIC.
and what did the impersonator Nino did, because I don't know. Anyways, Ethan showed us the files, the Vincent files. It can be someone from grade 4.
Yes.
And then transferred to another school in grade 5. Second, how does he know all of us? Third, it can be an anonymous account. It can be AI. It can be someone, a stranger, a person. No, a person that comes from the
Where's
dark
the?
web.
Can you send to me the Google Drive instead?
Okay. I'll send it to
I,
you.
I won't proceed to the investigation only if I have opened the Google Drive for myself.
But Clayton, I need to tell you about something. Whatever you do, don't tell the adults. Because if you do,
We're done for.
yes, and
All of us.
and
we're done
almost
for.
and we're responsible for our phones or gadgets.
Yeah.
Get on
Itong
this.
mga device. Yeah, I'll solve it. I'll solve it for myself.
Wait. Impersonate first. You all know that the impersonator Vincent was seeking information, right?
Yes.
And then before impersonator Vincent, Ethan showed us everything he knew, all of his knowledge to us, even our photos, even the files, the drives, everything.
Even the Taraligo picture.
Oh yeah, that one.
Yeah, wait. It even has a photo of Edward in kinder.
Yeah, that's the point. So that means he's a
That's
stalker.
insane.
Does he have a photo of mine?
No, you're not in the original friend group.
Wait.
That means you're a new target for
I
Ethan
think
Martinez.
Oh, no.
I think
No.
I think maybe just a maybe. Maybe Ethan is trying to copy my account so that he could impersonate all of us.
Wait, but I have an idea.
So-
wait, stop talking first. It's my turn to talk. So
Yeah.
basically, Vincent, your what you call speculation is fake or no? But that's not really. Actually, I think it's connected to Vincent's idea. I think he's trying to leak the GC and gather as much information as possible
Ay, oo.
to try to blackmail us to doing something really
He
wrong.
keeps on tempting me to not trust Seth, Vincent, Edward, and Kenji and the others.
Wait, who's that?
What if he's trying to take control of you so that like he has someone
It's-
who
It's
To
like
what you call
to
it?
manipulate?
yeah. It's like.
So what does the drive contain?
It contains pictures of us.
And it also has a conversation I tried to analyze.
Yeah, it says it has wait.
let's see.
It said it has ALS syndrome or something like
yeah.
that.
Vincent
Yeah.
has
I
ALS.
in grade
No, it's
No, it's someone
in
else.
grade 4, I heard about Ethan about a guy named Ethan.
Yeah.
I shrugged it off, but when I just realized when I turned into grade 7, which is right now, I realized that he was the one who was impersonating Vincent and all of you, right?
And the drive
Are
itself.
we?
So
we sure?
so it's actually true. He's in UIC, but it could be one of us actually because so many people transfer to UIC grade 7, grade 8, grade 9, grade 10, grade 11. So it could be them and they know or they're maybe stalking us right now.
Yo, I keep
Oh, wait, why am I laughing?
I
I'm laughing because I want to fart right now.
Oh, what the hell, dude?
Okay, wait, I'll send it to Jacob. I'll send it to Jacob.
the drives.
Guys, the drives contained me selling hot dogs. Okay, stop.
Stop it inside the
Okay, wait,
The
wait.
files contain me selling hot dogs.
Okay.
Sure, serious.
Jacob, I sent you the file. Open it right now.
Stop laughing. The drives contain.
No, actually serious. This is actually serious.
Yeah.
He might blackmail us or something.
Dude,
Keep
who?
laughing, bro. He keeps laughing. Okay.
Stop, dude. Dude.
If you laugh, you would to Shangri.
Oh wait.
Okay.
Dude, Vincent.
Send the drive to him now.
Vincent. Who took the photo?
Who took the photo
I don't think
of
I
me
have
selling
data.
hot dogs?
Yeah.
Ah, wait, no, your mother.
Wait, who has Wi-Fi in here? Can you open the drive for yourself?
I don't have Wi-Fi. I need to have. I have pocket Wi-Fi in my phone, but not like. I need to have my mom.
Who?
To
Edward?
My
Vincent.
my father.
get it. No.
Your father took it?
Yes.
How that?
You have
No,
data?
because it was his grade 4.
I have data.
You have data? You have data?
I have data.
Okay, I'll send.
Dog.
Stop.
I send it to you. Come on.
Send it to me, so.
Okay.
Oh my gosh, why is there silent?
You have the drive?
Silent clubster.
Is the drive with you or not?
Wasn't the drive sent in the GC?
I'm not
It's
sure.
so far back though.
It's quite confidential. so I'm
It
not
is
sure.
AGC, but I don't know what
Wait, we can like go to the links and files and
I
stuff.
cannot
Wait, no.
even
Wait,
open
there's
it.
pictures of it.
Because
I'm in
offline. Okay.
Send it to me.
Wait, send me.
Of course.
Okay.
Open it.
Wait, it's pictures?
Lots of pictures.
Oh, wait. Is it a picture like a file?
Clayton, the last message you sent me was the last day of school, and then it was a picture of
What the hell?
with Miss. Then you said Allah Akbar. Okay. The files contain.
Oh, it's this. This is Jillian. That's Jillian.
It's not Jillian.
Oh.
It's not.
I'll look at. I'll
Guys,
look
give
at
me
it.
the files. Give me files.
Dude,
No.
I sent it to you. I think. I don't know if you received it.
That's Vincent.
That's not what you. Okay, next. That's me selling hot dogs.
Us.
almost the entire friend group. That's
Oh, yeah,
the
that's the
conversation.
conversation.
What's the C and E?
We found that the E is Ethan. Ethan himself.
Ethan, what's E means Ethan, then C means
I don't even know.
It's like it's shown there.
It's someone.
It's shown someone. It's shown there somewhere.
Ethan, listen to me.
Oh my
Who's
god.
C again?
Dude, no, we don't know.
Edward knew.
Oh, I thought it was...
What the fuck?
Okay. Okay, I thought it was Clayton.
Clayton look behind you.
I don't care.
Oh, where's Jocelyn?
Ashley.
Where's Jocelyn? Ashley's here. Where's Jocelyn? We need Jocelyn here.
Second.
What's letter A? Who's letter
I
A?
don't know.
I
What's
think
wrong?
is,
That kid love terrorize.
Wait,
Wait,
let
Ashley. It's Ashley. Wait.
No, it's not Ashley.
It's Ashton.
Wait, let me read. I haven't read the full conversation.
No. I will read it first.
Or else I will
Read.
send a punishment to you all.
You made suspicious of yourself. Do you really want Ethan to? So basically, involved in this situation. Am I correct?
Oh shit.
It's possible.
It can be possible.
All right.
Wait, let me see the...
Transfer to. She might help in solving the situation.
Maxine?
Oh.
Wait, let me see the...
Yes.
And then Ethan might try to impersonate.
Is that his real name?
Not
no,
really.
Ethan Martin
Sure.
is not his real name, I think.
It was his profile. It was
He knows
the name of the profile.
if he knows we're trying to investigate about him, that means he must change his real name to something else.
Oh wait.
What? Why can't you just kill yourself?
Wait.
Does that mean that his name is Ethan Martin?
So that means wait, we need to check the grade 7 classrooms.
Grade 7 classroom?
Yes.
If he tried to impersonate one of
No.
them.
So that we could find Ethan in the classroom.
Sap.
Yeah.
Listen.
Yes.
Remember in grade 5?
There's a chat that says, remember that time the seizure is everyone is just standing there, you're the one who's near him, and even though you were the only medical and Red Cross president. Who's the Red Cross president at that time?
Edward?
No, not Edward.
Wait, no, it's in
He was the
Ateneo.
discipline.
It's a discipline.
So who?
I don't even know.
Could we could ask Edward.
Yeah, we
Maybe
could
he
ask Edward.
remembered.
We didn't find fucking Edward.
Just
No, I
message.
think he already went home.
Yeah, he got home alone through a tricycle. He used to commute alone starting yesterday.
So
Okay.
we need
We can just message him.
Text him now.
test them now.
Wait, Sap.
What?
Remember, I have a
But the
feeling- I
title,
have a bad
the name of the group is
feeling.
Medical and
Wait,
Red Cross.
remember in-
Medical and Red
remember
Cross?
in grade 5
The name is only Red
I was
Cross.
looking for at the cabinet.
How about in
that was
Adu?
full of
I'll just try to
nothingness.
check that later.
Yeah.
That was like full of random stuff. And
Yeah.
then I saw a black notebook that looked like... that
Wait,
looked like
wait.
Jacob's notebook.
It has
Yeah.
RC on
And then
it.
when I look inside, you'll never find me.
Listen.
because I'm dead.
Always and always being called the hero, the top one.
Top one? Wasn't that Edward? Excellent in so many subjects.
Also Maxine and you at grade
So
1.
top one. That
Always
means-
and always being called the hero, the top one. And when Ethan knew you were stepped down beyond your creators,
Yeah,
bitch, I will never forget. Alright, next.
Oh, shit.
Yo, who's that?
So that's Francis, Gabriel, and me. I don't even know how they.
Who is
that's-
this?
that's
Edward in Kinder.
That's us.
That is MODG.
That
Yes.
brings us. Oh wait, shit.
Wait,
He committed suicide. What's wrong with?
I'm not sure what that
Wait,
is.
guys, I know something.
What?
Wait. Generally,
Let me see.
to whom does this go? To
Suicide from the
Wait,
words.
if we summarize the entire file,
Yes.
to whom is this directed to? Vincent?
Let me see.
It was
Wait,
sent,
let-
who got sent
He
the
committed
who was-
suicide. What is wrong
What?
with him?
who
That's a
was
long time.
the first person to get access to the drive?
Wait,
It was
who,
probably
wait.
Edward
He
or
committed
it's like three of us.
suicide.
Edward and me got access to the drive first.
At the same time?
Yes.
He committed.
So you were sent it at the same time.
No. But I don't know yet. We got sent it at the same time. It wasn't me. So it was probably someone who got it first.
He committed suicide, a rapist. Rape?
A rapist.
You rape?
Wait, this
That's
might
the
be
claim.
this might be connected to Simon. Simon.
Simon?
Yes, Simon, no. Simon Roosevelt or something like that.
Wait.
Oh
Is
shit,
it
that's
who's
me.
this? Who the
Oh shit,
That's you.
that's me, bro.
Zane?
That's Zane.
I'm not sure.
That's Zane. Oh shit.
I was there when he
Oh,
did
that's
the
me.
logo.
Alright.
Ethan, you wanna see that?
Okay, that's the
The files.
Oh.
Allah.
Allah Akbar.
the hell are you watching?
Yo, stop singing Allah Akbar.
Okay then.
Bro, that's me. When did you say that?
Okay. We have speculations
Are
now.
there other evidences to show?
Yeah, actually we have.
Who?
Stop screaming. Wait, why is the mirror? Why is the door fogging up, bro?
It's what you call condensations.
Oh no.
Okay.
He doesn't understand what condensation means.
Condensation or evaporation?
That's condensation because the heat outside is very hot.
Condensation is basically gas to liquid. Yeah. Is that liquid?
Water vapor to
no.
liquid. Continue.
Okay, we continue. Okay. We now have evidence and speculation. Ethan Martinez might be the impersonator.
But I think
Or
I have an idea.
or Simon.
It may be
wait,
linked
we
to
should-
Simon.
We should list this on my notebook.
Wait, no. Wait, before we explain, let me tell you about Simon. Because you don't know Simon.
Who's Simon?
Basically, he said... Who the hell is that?
Okay, who's Simon?
Basically, he
Simon.
wrote our names in a notebook. He said he does drugs and bring us a new
What?
world. Yeah, Simon was... Remember Simon, like the papers? You were like scared?
Is he like
You knew,
a drug?
right?
Is he like a
Yeah,
drug
like,
dealer?
okay, explain it.
That-
To Jacob.
That sounds familiar.
Wait, I remember crashing out back then on why would you take a paper from a trash can?
Oh.
Shanti, how are you comfortable beside Vincent and Tita?
I'm not sure.
No.
Why the hell are you?
You like them?
No, she, bro, every night she sucks it.
What the hell?
Okay.
I thought she's not straight.
Okay, get back.
I'm not straight.
Okay,
She's curved.
Okay, I have speculations and evidence and theories. That my theory is that Ethan might be Simon and the impersonator,
Yeah, it might be Simon. But no.
and then
Might be Elijah.
not really Elijah.
Yeah, but the danger, that's the dangerous part. We don't know who the hell it can be because
We might blame someone.
yeah,
Alright,
someone-
on July 13, next Monday,
Asynchronous.
yes, it's a synchronous. And on the same day, I will be going to
Oh,
investigate on the situation.
Let's ask Maxine and say,
you
Yeah,
can.
but-
You can go to Athens.
Yeah, but
and tell Maxine I said
wait,
hi.
guys. If we're investigating, that means Ethan Martinez is planning something also.
Yes.
Wait.
So
He-
we must
wait.
be always prepared
Wait,
on what's what the is real name of coming. Ethan Martinez. That's the problem.
Dude,
Yeah, that's the
Wait,
point.
guys, I feel like he wants us to investigate because why the hell would he just send us the drives like that?
Oh yeah, that's the point. Why the hell do you want to send us drives?
Unless he's here right now.
One of us.
One of us can be Ethan
Or
Martinez.
somebody over here.
Oh yeah, actually, it may be someone over here or in grade school.
Somebody.
And might be listening to our plan.
But the thing is, why?
Yeah, why?
Why? Why the hell would they do that?
Elaborate the room. So sad.
Who the hell? Who had like an insane? Who had insane beef with?
That's the problem.
Like, yeah, that's the problem.
Ethan Martinez. Yeah, that's the problem though. Why would someone be
Wait,
with the friend group?
lower down your voice a little.
Who doesn't like the friend group?
I like the friend.
I don't know. We're kind
The
of
friend
loud.
group too, bro. It was one of the most eventful
I
nights of my
already
life.
I already chatted Shanti, Vincent, Seth, Clayton, Jong.
Yeah, I know the friend group was like
and
weird.
others.
This friend group was my first friend group, my actual real friend group.
So
Yeah.
first of all,
It's your friend group.
Yeah,
so
our
first of
friend
all-
group, not mine.
so
No,
first
it's
of
not
all,
mine.
so first
Mine
of
was
all,
the
First of all,
no,
Okay, you speak
they're
to my
not,
eye.
they're not listening. But the thing is,
okay, I have
but the thing is,
Oh,
we
Goodbye.
must listen to each other. We must go back to our conversations because there's a chance that he might
What?
he might disguise one of us, and then we must talk to we must talk to each other continuously so that
we could
No, wait. I have an idea.
because
Wait, I have an idea.
I never
I have an idea.
Wait.
Wait. Let me.
I never talked to
Okay, wait. I have an idea. This can lead to an actual breakthrough. We spy on Ethan
Oh,
Martinez.
Jerome, prayer.
We could.
Pray.
Sana. Wait. Actually, Rox. We need to spy on Ethan Martinez.
Dude, who the hell is he? Yeah?
Let's go.
Come back.
This is my shoe.
Oh, shoot. Oh, hell no.
Of course it's white. It's light.
Get our bags later.
What do you want?
Wait, I will get my 4 minutes.
What?
Okay, wait.
Get my bags.
Okay. Dude, be quiet.
It's like a TV show. Stranger Things?
Wait. What if? Wait. About the TV show comment, dude. What if Ethan's filming us and using us for content as we figure this out?
I don't think
I'm
so.
not sure. That'd be insane.
No, that's not true. All the sport topics, the original sport
I cannot go to the lobby nearby because my I cannot go to the sports of I cannot go for the stop again. We must go through the gym. Let's go to the gym.
Wait, why can't you go to the lobby?
Who saved Matthew here? Me. I'm Saint Matthew. I'm Saint Bertrand.
We must make this quick because nagyaw-yaw na kumula.
Dude, we have tomorrow to do this. Probably gonna be fine.
Guys, we must do this faster because nagyaw-yaw na kumula.
Go, stop running. We have to walk while discussing this.
Ayun.
Is that really necessary?
Go. Kung sa man ang inyong intentions. Part of Father Marlon.
We need to know who is the real identity of Simon. Second,
You mean Ethan?
I guess both.
Did he transfer? That's the question. That's the second question. Did they transfer?
Why did they do the things?
Because we might involve Adro in that situation.
There's 3 W's. Who are they? Who are they? Who are they?
What is the account purpose?
What are their purpose? And
Stop capturing them like you're a pedophile.
Whoa! Okay, dude.
why are they talking to us instead of the others?
We will might to have involved in the Davao for that incident.
That's my mom.
That's your mom?
Yeah, like
Because possibly if Ate is involved in that situation, we have no choice but to deliberate with them.
what?
Disseminate this kind of information only to trusted authorities.
What happened?
We find out who the person is. That is the time adults must intervene.
Yes. Here you go.
Papa bought a new speaker.
Wow.
Cool.
Isn't here. Isn't here now.
Okay, let's go.
Okay, let's talk about it. Close the door.
Dapat magdaling ka kay. Yaw-yawan ako.
You could go. No, we could discuss
Okay, I'm
it.
giving you until
Until?
You could go. dude, you need to go, bro. It's better.
311.
311.
Wait, will you send me the conversation or something?
The drive?
No, Vin, no, Zanti will.
Where did we stop? Shanti, will you send the
Where did we
conversation?
stop? Where did we stop?
Okay.
We stop about what you call speculations because of Vincent.
Yeah, speculation. So the speculation is that if Ethan Martinez was the person behind all of this, then we would have noticed if he did not create separate accounts. Because we already found out who Ethan Martinez is, then we will already find out who,
Yeah, but-
Maglaro na ako ha.
Okay, you
Alright.
can go.
Just, Shanti, send it to me, alright?
Alright.
Okay. Okay, so where was I again?
Wait, I have I need to tell you guys something.
Yes?
Basically, this is really important. We need to keep this in ourselves. If we don't, maybe the classmates in our classroom, because we're all transferees, think it's a joke. They'll spread it to the classroom to grade 9, and we'll be responsible for it. So, if we can't keep our mouth shut, we need to do something fast about Ethan Martinez. Yeah, that's the point.
Okay. So if we don't want it to get spread,
We can't tell anyone. This is
we can't-
severely confidential and classified.
yeah, we cannot tell it to anyone unless if they're trustworthy.
That's right. But if they don't be trustworthy,
The only person who is trustworthy is obviously Father Martin, Shanti, Seth, me, Jarvis,
Jarvis?
Yes.
Jacob and Edward.
Jacob and Edward.
Which the original friend group had to
And
clean
Jongkyu.
their shit.
Jonkyu? I'm not sure about Jonkyu.
Well, I'm not actually sure about Jongkyu,
Wait.
I'm not gonna lie.
Kenji and Carl.
Yeah.
Kenji and Carl?
Yeah, Kenji and Carl were a part of the incident.
Wait.
Hmm?
Is the grade 8 students involved in that situation? You know,
Grade 8?
They were asking for money from St. Matthew students.
Yes, wait, this
Was
one?
it related to this situation?
No, it isn't. It's a different situation about our friend group, not them. If it was, it would have been spreading through the classes
It is
already.
called financial. It's called financial.
Extortion, right?
Yeah,
Yeah.
Not really. I'm not sure. And this is called a severe social issue. Yes.
What kind of offense? Minor or major?
Not really. A major if it includes information leaking. The minors is the arguments, the separations, whatever you
About the porn and rape thing, that's severely major, right?
Yeah,
Yeah,
that's major.
it
that's
is.
Major.
So that means Ethan Martinez, if he's in, can be expelled from the, what you call it again?
If we
Yeah.
already solved the issues, are we going to report it to the school authorities?
Should we?
No,
But if you find out who the hell it is, we're
Wait,
immediately...
we need to make sure it's him. We can't just
Oh yeah, that's
blame
right.
some random person.
So we need to have theories about people.
So what kind of plan is this? If we already solve who is Ethan Martinez, if he's from we will file an incident report to the school office of student affairs, or if he's from we'll have to file an incident report to the discipline's office. And I do not know if that will lead to expulsion.
Wait, Titon, before you talk, I have like a speculation or like a severe continuity.
Wait.
If it's actually true, they're in a, we could what you call this again? We could be involved in this. So we could go to a about something.
How can we go to
That's
the problem?
Why the hell would we ask our moms like, hey,
If in the midst of hours, we cannot be allowed to enter there, what happens? Unang-una, we're not from that school.
No. They would give us permission because they still need
Why?
to investigate. Because of this.
Then
of
we would
course.
need to
Wait.
spread information about this if we
Wait.
want to explain.
wait. Even if we know who is Ethan, we need to wait for the perfect time to defame him or defamation. We can report him for defamation, impersonation, pornographic content.
rape and gore.
Yes.
Oh wait, he also threatened to do a school shooting on the first day of
Yeah.
school.
Yeah.
But but still though, he said he'll do a school shooting, but after that,
School shooting?
yeah,
Yes.
and after
How
that,
can he take possess of firearms? Is his parent a policeman?
No, we don't know yet. That's the point. If he's gonna do a school shooting, maybe that's gonna happen.
The problem is, what are ways to find out his true identity?
We don't even know yet. That's the point.
Wait,
Because we must act immediately eh. There's already a check to our school even if you do not report it to proper school authorities.
wait. In order to find out Ethan, identity. We need to find out more of him through his contacts, profiles, and things that we know about him. First,
Alright, remember the conversation?
Yes.
Yes.
Who texted that conversation?
Texted a conversation.
Who sent?
Of course.
Wait.
Wait,
Who sent that Google Drive file to you?
wasn't it Ethan?
Yes, it was.
Wait.
In the person of the Vincent account.
Yes.
Wait.
That's the point.
The Ethan was in a contact number, and it was sent.
Do you still have the contact number?
No, wait. The contact sent it to Edward, and then
What's the contact number again?
I don't know. Only
You check your history later.
Only-
Send me the contact number tonight. I'm going to do something.
Only Edward knows the contact or something like that. And then the contact sent it to Edward. Then Edward sent the information to all of us to remind us or to inform us what happened during the conversation of a strange person.
Okay, done.
Anonymous
We'll
person.
continue it tomorrow. Or
Okay.
we'll chat about it tomorrow. I have to go.
Okay.
Okay. Bro,
Alright, get out here.
why?
Because you're not allowed to stay in here. You turn off the electric fan, please.
Okay, guys. I'm gonna go home early, bro. I'll try to do it.
Phone number.
What time are you gonna go?
We are best friends.
Ginagawa